Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 10 run commands every Windows 11 user should know. These commands can help you access hidden system tools faster, troubleshoot issues, and save a lot of time while using your PC. So if you want to become more productive and use Windows like a pro, make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. First, let's see how to open the run command in Windows 11. You have two easy methods. Method 1, using the taskbar. Right-click on the Windows button on the taskbar, then click on Run from the menu. Method 2, using the keyboard. You can instantly open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key +R on your keyboard. Once the Run window opens, you can type different commands to quickly access Windows tools and settings. Now, let's dive into some of the most useful run commands. The first run command is MRT, which open the Microsoft Malicious software removal tool. Open the Run dialog. Type MRT, then click on OK. A confirmation message may appear. Click Yes to continue. After that, the Microsoft Malicious software removal tool window will open. To start the scan, click Next to continue. Now, you'll see 3 scan options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, and Custom Scan. You can choose the scan type based on your needs. Quick Scan checks the most common locations where malware is usually found. Full Scan checks the entire system and takes much more time. Custom Scan lets you choose specific folders or drives to scan. In this case, we'll choose Quick Scan. This option is fast and usually takes only a few minutes, depending on your system. So, the MRT command is very useful for quickly scanning your PC and removing common malicious software without installing any extra programs. The second run command is Check PC Specifications. First, open the Run dialog. Type dxdiag, then press Enter. This will open the DirectX diagnostic tool. In the System tab, you can see important information about your computer. This includes your operating system, processor, installed memory, RAM, and DirectX version. You also have other tabs that provide more detailed information. In the Display tab, you can check your graphics card details and display performance. In the Sound tab, you can view audio device information. And in the Input tab, you can see connected input devices, such as keyboard, mouse, and controllers. The dxdiag command is very useful for quickly checking PC specifications, troubleshooting hardware issues, and verifying system components. The third run command is Open System Properties. First, open the Run dialog by pressing Windows +R. Type sysdm.cpl, then click on OK button. This will open the System Properties window. Here, you'll see several important system options and settings. In the Computer Name tab, you can view or change your computer name and manage workgroup or domain settings. In the Hardware tab, you can access Device Manager and configure hardware-related settings. In the Advanced tab, you can control performance-related options. By clicking on Settings under Performance, you can choose between Best Appearance, Best Performance, or create custom settings. This helps you balance visual effects and system speed based on your PC's performance. In the System Protection tab, you can manage restore points. From here, you can enable or disable system protection and create restore points to protect your system before major changes. Finally, in the Remote tab, you can configure remote access settings. You can allow or block remote desktop connections to your computer. The sysdm.cpl command is very useful for managing system performance, security, and advanced Windows settings, all in one place. Number 4 is Open Programs and Features. First, open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows +R on your keyboard, and type this. Then press Enter. This will instantly open the Programs and Features window, where you can see all the programs installed on your PC. Just like in the Settings app, you can easily uninstall, change, or repair an application from here. Simply select the program, then click on the option you want. This method is very useful when you want quick access without going through multiple menus in Settings. It's also helpful if your Settings app is slow or not responding, or if you're using an older version of Windows where this interface is more reliable. Many IT professionals prefer this method because it's faster, direct, and works on almost all Windows versions. Next, we have Open Task Scheduler. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows +R, and type this. Then press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Task Scheduler window. As you can see at the top, there are many folders and task libraries that show you all the scheduled tasks on your system. These tasks are used by Windows and some applications to run automatic actions, like updates, maintenance, or background processes. You can click on any task to view more details and even modify its properties in the lower section, like setting conditions such as run only when the computer is idle or run only when connected to power. On the right side, you will find several options like run, end, disable, export, view, and refresh, which allow you to manage and control each task easily. As you can see here, there are different folders like Microsoft, Google, and others. Each folder contains scheduled tasks created by Windows or installed applications, used to run automatic actions in the background like updates, syncing, or maintenance. Task Scheduler is very useful if you want to automate tasks or stop unnecessary background processes that may affect performance. However, be careful when modifying system tasks, as some of them are important for Windows to function properly. And that's it. A powerful tool that gives you more control over your system. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more advanced Windows tips. Up next, open Windows Firewall Settings. First, open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows +R. Then type firewall.cpl and press Enter. This will open the Windows Defender Firewall window. In Windows Firewall, you'll find two main network types: private network and guest or public network. A private network is used for trusted environments like your home or work network, where your device can be visible to others and share resources safely. On the other hand, a public network is designed for untrusted places like cafes or airports. Here, your device is hidden from other devices to increase security. Now, let's move to change your notification settings, where you can control when Windows alerts you about blocked apps. This helps you stay informed without being interrupted by unnecessary notifications. Next, we have Turn Windows Firewall on or off. Here, you can enable or disable the firewall for both private and public networks, depending on your needs. We also have the Restore Defaults option, which allows you to reset all firewall settings back to their original configuration. And finally, let's check Advanced Settings, where you can configure detailed inbound and outbound rules for better control over your network security. Here, you can create custom rules to allow or block specific applications and ports. This is especially useful for advanced users who want precise control over network traffic. And that's it. A quick and powerful shortcut you should know. The next run command is Open Command Prompt. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows plus R. Type cmd. Then press Enter. This will open the command prompt window. From here, you can run different commands to check system information or perform advanced tasks. For example, you can type systeminfo to view detailed information about your computer. And are many powerful commands inside CMD that we can talk about in a separate video. This tip is very useful for users who want more control over their system. It helps you troubleshoot problems, understand how your PC works, and access advanced features faster, without using the graphical interface. Number 8 is Open System Configuration. Open the Run dialog. Type msconfig. Then press Enter. This will open the System Configuration window. In the General tab, you can choose how Windows starts. You can select Normal Startup, which loads all device drivers and services. You can also choose Diagnostic Startup, which starts Windows with basic drivers only, or Selective Startup to manually choose what loads during startup. You can also choose Selective Startup, which allows you to manually choose which system services and startup items load when Windows starts. In the Boot tab, you can manage how Windows boots. Here, you can enable Safe Boot, set boot options, and configure advanced boot settings. This is very useful for troubleshooting system problems. In the Services tab, you can see all system and background services. You can hide all Microsoft services and disable unnecessary third-party services to improve startup performance. In the Startup tab, you can open Task Manager. Finally, in the Tools tab, you can quickly access advanced Windows tools. You can launch tools like Event Viewer, Command Prompt, Registry Editor, and many more directly from here. So, the msconfig command is extremely useful for troubleshooting, optimizing startup, and controlling how Windows loads. Number 9 is Open Registry Editor. Like always, open the Run dialog. Type regedit. Then press Enter. If a user account control message appears, click Yes to continue. This will open the Registry Editor. The Registry Editor is a powerful tool that stores important system and application settings. At the top, you'll find 5 main menu options: File, Edit, View, Favorites, and Help. The Registry Editor is very powerful, so you should only make changes if you know exactly what you're doing. Incorrect changes can affect system stability, so it's always recommended to create a backup first. The regedit command is mainly used by advanced users and technicians to troubleshoot and customize Windows settings. And the run command number 10 is Open Services Manager. Open the Run dialog. Type services.msc. Then press Enter. This will open the Services window. Here, you'll see a list of Windows services. These are programs that run in the background to make Windows and other applications work properly. In this list, you may find services related to features such as Windows Update, Xbox Accessory Management, Hyper-V, printing services, Bluetooth services, and other system or application components. From this window, you can enable or disable services based on your needs. To make changes, double-click on the service you want to modify. In the Startup Type section, you can choose between automatic, manual, or disabled. This allows you to control when and how a service starts. After selecting the startup type you want, click Apply. Then click OK to save the changes. Be careful when disabling services, because some of them are essential for Windows to work correctly. The services.msc command is very useful for managing background services and improving system performance. So those were the top 10 run commands in Windows 11 that can help you work faster and unlock useful system tools instantly. Let me know in the comments which command was your favorite, and if you know any other useful run commands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.